The Supreme Court of State will hear oral arguments on the two-party constitutional challenge of former President Donald Trump in the 2024 presidential ballot. On Wednesday, court issued a program with a time schedule to offer written arguments before hearing, which recognizes incredible time sensitivity of legal petition presented by national group Free Speech. Former of Foreign Minister Joan Growne, former Foreign Joan Growne.H, Anderson and others. Their argument, 14th change U.S. Constitution, prevented former Republican president, who protested U.S. Capitol trying to reject election victory of Democratic President Joe Biden in ballot panel because his support to January 6, 2021. The petition that challenged Trump was opened last week, and the participants have to present their first controls until September 27. The court's order, Chief Justice Lorie Gildea, agreed allow the state Republican Party to take a step as a responding petition. Trump campaign and Foreign Minister Steve Simon participation. State GOP President David Hann said that the petition is dependent on what it calls the eaves legal theory. The last order of the court notes the need for speed. Simon said that petition required a quick decision by the court, so that presidential elections were not announced. The court directed the petition owners represented by Charles Nauen and others to the briefings until October 4. Person is self-executive, whether a person is president, and they have carried out himself. Last written petitions and answers, including supportive briefings from the outside, are paid not later than October 20. Oral arguments will be at 10 o'clock in the courtroom in Capital Province. But Gildea will be there. Chief Justice retires from court on October 1 Street when the discussions were heard in November. Justice Natalie Hudson will be chef.Karl. Procaccini, appointed by Tim Walz, will be on bench for hearing and decision. Emir does have to explain his statements that Justice Margaret Chutich does not participate in decision and that he would hear or decide the argument or decide case.